Good day. In today's video, we're going to look at how to set up Windows updates on Windows Server 2019. So meaning here we'll be stopping all Windows updates which are installed automatically, because we want our updates to be manually installed, meaning we want to tell the server when to update and when not to update. So what you need to do is click on your start menu, CMD, then you go run it as administrator. What you want to type is S, which is server config. Press enter. You should see this server configuration. So you have numbers here, so it's even saying enter number to select option. So you go with 5, which is Windows updates. Okay, so we say 5, press enter. Okay, now it's asking us Windows updates currently set to manually because I selected manually. So if you want it to be auto, you can do this as the video is saying, vice versa, download only or manual updates. So I want manual updates, so I would say M, then press enter. Then it will do its thing to set up. So it's set up. Just press OK. If there's any other thing you want to do, like restart the server, shut down the server, or exit command prompt, 15, done. We're done and we have successfully saved our settings, and our server will no longer update automatically, only unless we tell it to.